Did you know the bark of a tree could calm a relentless cough better than most syrups on the shelf today? Wild cherry, also known as Prunus serratina, has been treasured for generations as one of nature's most powerful respiratory allies. Its bark contains soothing compounds that relax the muscles of the chest and ease spasms, making it especially effective for dry, hacking coughs. Herbalists often prepare it as a syrup or tea to quiet irritation and support the lungs during colds, bronchitis, and even asthma. But wild cherry isn't just about stopping a cough. It also helps strengthen the respiratory system over time, bringing calm to the body while supporting natural healing. Would you try wild cherry for lung health? Comment below and tell me what herb you want to learn about next.